Shoppers say the advertising handle is irresistible, takes all the decision-making out of shopping. I introduce to you Cool Ads. Cool Ads is a one-of-a-kind promotional system that gets the customers glued to products after seeing them. It is the most effective way to incite decision and sale at the last place that matters. When your eyes are on the ad and your hand is touching it, sold. It is easy to install, easy to maintain, very effective with over 500,000 plus in the field with 0 returns. Cool Ads comes in different forms and can be customized for you. Cool Ads can help make your products stand out at the point of purchase, helping to breach the gap between your products and the consumers. Give us a try. We make it easy with our sample pack. Experience the magic when Sensory Ads results in more sales. Cool Ads. Contact us today at 702-522-7889 or 847-863-1783 or Larry@cooladhandles.com or www.cooladhandles.com.